When you're using Screencast-O-Matic, I wanted to show you how to save and then share the recording of your presentation. So when you're done with Screencast-O-Matic and you hit the pause button, it's going to ask you if you're done. And so there'll be a done option on the screen. And so you go ahead and hit done. And what will come up is some options for saving. Now you might not come to this screen first. It might just ask you if you want to save there's another choice. But if you hit, save, these are the options that are going to come up. It's going to be save to a video file, upload to Screencast-O-Matic, upload to YouTube, upload to Google Drive. What we want you to do is upload it to Google Drive. And so you can see that that's an option right here, and you're going to go ahead and select that. When you select it, you're going to get another box on the screen, and in this box you can change the name. So often I change the name to whatever the assignment is. And again, you can see it's going to Google Drive. And once you're happy with the name, you want to go ahead and hit publish. When you hit publish, you're going to see that it's going to be publishing. So it'll take a few minutes. It doesn't take a ton of time, but it takes a little bit. When it's done publishing, you'll get a screen that looks like this. Again, whatever you named it, you can open it, upload it. You could just copy the link, or you can just hit done. And then you can go into your drive and find the video. So when you go into your drive and find the video, it's usually going to be right at the top of the screen, or it might be on the top of your list. But again, you're going to go in through your Gmail, you're going to hit the waffle, you're going to hit My Drive, and then you'll come to where this was saved. One of the things you're going to want to do is in the upper right-hand corner, there's going to be 3 dots. I've cut them so you can't see them, but there would be 3 dots here. And when you click on them, you'll get this menu. And you want to share this. And when you click share, you're going to get this screen. Currently, right now, this one is public. Anyone on the internet can find it and view it. You can share it with specific people, or you can just change this to anyone at damon.edu. And so they'll be public, they'll be private, and then anyone with damon.edu. When you get to this screen and you've changed it to damon.edu, go ahead and copy the link